Have you ever wondered how medical treatments become available to patients like you? Or maybe someone you know is battling a condition and you're looking for options beyond the standard treatments? Clinical trials can offer access to investigational treatments that are not yet available on the market. If you've ever thought, could this be for me? You may be in the right place. Most people don't fully understand how clinical trials work or what to expect. That uncertainty can stop them from taking the next step. That's why in this video, we'll walk you through exactly how clinical trials work at AutoCruitment step by step. Stick around to the end to learn how to get a free comprehensive guide to potentially help you choose the right trial for you. Subscribe now so you never miss trusted guidance on clinical trials and other patient resources. Step 1. Preclinical research. Before a treatment reaches patients, it starts in the lab. Researchers study how it works, first in cells and then in animals, to see if it's safe enough for human testing. Step 2. Phase 1 trials. This is where the investigational treatment is tested on a small group of healthy volunteers or patients. Studies are looking at one thing. Is it safe? Doctors determine the right dosage and look for early side effects. Have you learned something new? Like this video on YouTube. Step 3. Phase 2 trials. Now the study moves to a larger group of people with the condition the treatment is meant for. Here the goal is to evaluate effectiveness and continue monitoring safety. Step 4. Phase 3 trials. In Phase 3, researchers are comparing the investigational treatment with existing options. This involves hundreds or even thousands of participants, and the goal is to confirm the benefits and monitor any adverse effects. Step 5. Phase 4. Post-FDA approval. Even after FDA approval, research doesn't stop. Phase 4 studies track long-term effectiveness and safety in real-world settings. So many people hesitate to explore clinical trials because they don't understand the process. But now you do. If you're considering clinical trials, consider downloading the free comprehensive guide to choosing clinical trials. It walks you through every step in more detail and helps you start to figure out what may be right for you. Details are below. A comprehensive guide to choosing clinical trials. Subscribe for more.